Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com. So we have maybe 10 minutes. So ask questions about Same Day Bang version 2 DVD if you have some questions. We're also very happy about some students who are sending reports from approach to some success fulfillment. So for example, a student from Cyprus, he sent report when he approached two girls who were sitting around the table. You could read that report at Alphamantraining.com, and that was amazing. He went with four friends. He was I think on a travel journey, because he is a professional fighter, so he flies around the world and fights for money prizes. So I think that stop was his stop of fighting. So he stopped. He went to a bar with three male friends and approached those two girls, wrote the report, and the conclusion of that report was that he needs alpha man dressing code. I mean, what we train in training, because when he approached them, those girls not reacted in a way he wanted to react them. So he definitely said, like, I will change my dressing style, because I understand how it's important, the dress code. I'm looking, if a bus is coming. So we were doing here training, and it started to rain. So a client now is talking to two females. So I will leave him, because he is already talking for 20 minutes. So I need to leave him. Maybe he will do same delay. Would be awesome. So what else? Like, yeah, same is with you. If you are our follower, so send report of what happened. The report should consist some success. For example, you could approach girls and talk, and that is okay. Just write what happened and what you learned from that approach. Would be amazing to read. And if it's a good report, we will post on alphamantraining.com. So send that report to info@alphamantraining.com. We put that email below this video, and do that. So what we do, we give clients who purchase our products, we give 1 month. In 1 month they need to invest into new products or take real life boot camps, or if they don't do those two things, they need to write report. They need to write report. They need to prove that they are getting some results. So you as well prove that you are getting some results. Attach some photos from approaching girls, talking to them, pulling, and send to info@alphamantraining.com. We will read and we will give our opinion how you can improve yourself, and would be awesome. So thanks for watching. Until next time, it was alphamantraining.com. Make sure you subscribe Facebook videos, subscribe our YouTube channels like Alphaman Training 2, a dancer, and AMT Seduction Systems, and our channel. So thanks for watching. Until next time, see you.